Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Well guys, as I can see, you know it's that time. You can see from the title, you know what time it is already. So I'm just here heading to man, so I'm here heading to see my barber. You know it goes already. So welcome guys to Kino Life in Jamaica. As you see, it's that time. You know, it's only going to be a real quick one. I'm not going to take too long, you know, because you know, so this is a business trip, you know, and I got invited, you know, I got really invited to this. I really got to go to this. Hello, you know, so I got invited, so I have to give thanks and blessed love to the nurses, you know, thank them so much for passing through Frenchtown, you know, so me, you know, showing back my love and the support, you know, so I'm heading to my barber shop right now. There's Barber Big there.
If you're not circus, I am not. Now, if you go and walk by the road and see beer, then I don't want that. I don't want to see the animals and if you're walking on the circus. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, God. How big is it?
I could have seen the giraffe and so on whatsoever and the circus. You never go. Over captain they do today. They do some fence up the whole around a captain and circus. Yeah, but the last one I put right the bridge for the issue because you can't enjoy the last piece of bread. But now, I'm cooking along but I'll give you I think it's also the last time
Alright guys, as you can see, fully shaved, fully ready now. And you know, just left the barber. You know, I have to big up my hairstylist. Big up the stylist again for another new hairstyle. You know, so anything goes already. I've always big up my stylist, you know. So guys, so she's gonna launch her website soon, you know, so I'll be giving you info on where I got my hair done. So if you guys want to check her out and get your hair done, you know what I'm saying, you know, so check her out, you know, so tell me what you think about this style. Something different, right? Something really, and pass man, something really different. So I'm gonna say, feel free. So the guys, so I'm here, so that's out the way. So there goes already. It's night time now, so I'm just gonna grab one and two stuff. So alright, it's late now for that. So guys, so if you reach this far, you haven't put the thumbs up. Remember to put the thumbs up, guys. Remember to put the thumbs up while you're watching Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, it's nothing but love and love alone, you know. Nothing but love and love alone. So that's what I'm saying, guys. This is gonna be a quick trip, you know, because you know I have to get back, you know, so we can actually finish up the whole shed project, you know. So this is not gonna be a long trip. It's gonna be something very quick and short and spicy, You know, it's going to be something sharp and spicy. So, oh, this is closed. Oh, pharmacy closed. So most of the places are already closed now. So, I'm going to take it in for another day. Another. Well, blessed love, guys. Well, this is another day, you know, so it's countdown, you know, to get on that plane, you know. So, yes, you see where I'm going. You definitely know where I'm going because it's already been said, you know. So I'll take you on that journey. I hope you enjoy the plane ride. I enjoy that journey while I'm there, you know. So I'm gonna say it's a culture fest, you know, so I'm going to represent and show my love same way they came and show their love as well too, you know. So guys, remember, it's only love and love alone, you know. Only love can conquer all. So it's not only words, but it have to come from the heart, you know. And I really appreciate you guys for supporting me and my journey, you know. So it's nothing but love and love alone. Yeah, so before I leave, you know, I make sure I go pay my internet bill. You know, so my bill has been due, you know, so I make sure I go and pay it. So whenever I reach it, I have to come out to go get it. So today I'm just grabbing 1 and 2 stuff. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. And I go down by Ibo Spice to get myself something to eat, you know, because it is that time of the day for me to go and eat something. So that's what I need to go and do as well too. So before I'm here in halfway tree, you know, so I'm going to go over to the floor store to pay my bill and then go get some Iowa Spice food, you know, fill up this little tank here. And then what else I need to do? It's a good thing I'm not going for a long while, so I need to pack a lot of stuff. I don't need to pack too many stuff. No. Pack little nips and dabs right there and then just head on to the road, you know, so it's a good thing. So, let's go pay my bill. Come on. Guys, so I'm literally in Clock Plaza, you know. That's where most time I come to pay my bill, or sometime I'll go down by Arbitrary Road, you know, but Clock Plaza always ideal, you know, for me.
I wanna know. So that's your camera?
Yeah, this is my camera.
Oh.
You see it? You got yourself.
Hi.
Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah, man. Love the video. So dear.
She's Dominica.
Oh, she gone again?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, she soon come back again.
Mm-hmm.
So she'll tell us me, you never believe her.
No, man, we know say you, man.
You know what I mean? Big up yourself every time. So you good there, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright then.
Take care.
Yeah. Yes guys, so I just paid a bill now, you know. As soon as I come out I saw one of my subscribers also. Yeah, so bill paid, so I got one more thing to get. I need to get soap. Yeah, I need to get soap. And yeah, that's it. Toothbrush. Yeah, soap and toothbrush. You know, you have to pack that. Not because you may go farm and I pack soap and toothbrush, of course. Pack it, of course. Pack the soap that you want and the brush.
got a proper store upstairs.
Okay. So everything good over for you?
Yeah, man.
One kilo, like.
Big up Bibi for you, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Tell her say street laws.
3 laws. 1 law. You must come over there, come check her, man.
Yeah, man. I want to do that, you know.
Yeah. You come over there, come check her, man. Everything ready, man. Nice to meet you, huh? What's your name?
See her in the video, man.
Yeah. You come over there whenever you're ready, man. You see me? So you have a contact number, right?
No, I don't have my number.
You don't have my number?
No.
Take my number, man. You can call me whenever you're ready. Man has my general, man. You know, I go there already.
You watch Kino Life in Jamaica.
So you have to go start watching.
You see the video when I do what here? When I do with the elder, you may have said to the, I ask the elder say if he know somebody named Kino.
In that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do a video with the elder from Trenchtown.
Okay.
Yeah, I tell him, say, him should have know you. Once him in a Trenchtown,
Yeah.
he have to know you.
But when you say you are dealing with the elders, so I'm probably not really to keep up with the media. You know, that's why. 793 3921. Yeah. Yeah. We're going to start. Alright, boss, you know, we have to come here and get the healthy food, you know?
How you say, man, just come get to see you, Max?
Yeah, I hope you're not done still. Got them by the banger, you know. Them by the banger, these are nice.
Tell me.
Oh, Kino, K-I-N-O, my name.
So when it's all kind of that, everyone is in Nigeria. That's them same one to them, and probably not the same one.
The first thing I got more from morning.
Yeah.
Yeah?
You know what I mean?
Just like I was fasting.
True. Yeah, man, tell him first about the island, you know?
Yeah.
I love the work with the eye go on with.
Yeah.
Kino Life in
Jamaica.
Jamaica. Yeah, man, this is magical laws
Yeah.
speaking. And we are saying the work what Kino are do.
Yeah.
And the thing where the man are utter is greatness.
True.
So if you don't subscribe to Kino Life in Jamaica yet, it costing you nothing. Do it right now.
Yes.
Yeah, because the eye do greatness. The eye do greatness in a Trenchtown. The eye do greatness in a Kingston. The eye do greatness in a Jamaica. And if you go watch Kino videos, you will see that the eye travel all over Jamaica.
Yes, sure.
And if you help him, if you do what I'm doing in Jamaica, the man can do the same thing around the world.
Around the world. Yes.
Kino, big up yourself.
Every time, man. Big up, man. Righteous, man. You know? Righteous. See the eyeball spice. Healthy food. I'm gonna hope that music isn't a copyright music. Hope. Hope, you know.
Some Irish man. Spirulina.
I eat me always get
See,
bad.
you know, so the Irish mash have 102 minerals. So you can't run.
Can't run. I imagine the spirulina. Can't run.
Spirulina have iron in it, you know.
Alright.
Superfood.
Yeah, nutrients for the body. And give a channel a shout out, man. Let them know that.
Yeah, man. Magical laws. Yeah, man. That's MAGICALAWES. So it's 1L, which provide the magical and the laws in a one.
Yeah.
I do videos about music in Jamaica. Yeah, man. And if you go watch my last video, I was talking to a Adrian about Trenchtown, and I was telling him that him need to know Kino if him live in a Trenchtown. And see what? It's couple days ago I do that video, and never know say I would have meet up with Kino.
Right away.
So what Kino said, one team, one dream.
Yes, dream team, one team.
Yeah, man.
You see, it's how the universe works, imagine it.
And we say, man?
We just came here at Ibus Price to get some food. As soon as I was parking up, he was walking past, you know, and imagine this man done a video about me 3 days ago.
3 days ago.
You know, and then look where we are now, not knowing. But that's how the frequency works, that's how the energy works, you understand? So you have to have faith and believe, you know, because it's been calling my name. So it's been sending out that frequency. You know, so that's how it attracts, you know.
Yeah, man, we are sending out the frequency again, baby.
Yeah.
When you watch that video, you look on the face.
Alright.
You know the face.
Yes. Alright, baby, so you hear that?
Come link up in a trench town, baby.
Yes.
Now we have some things to reason about, but we can't reason for yes.
So you see that it go connect. You know, because that's how it works. The energy frequency go connect. And the man said, baby, just watch. You gotta see the connection. One trench town, you know. Cool, man. I'll be there at Ibus Spice. You know, it's like I've been fasting from morning. This is my first meal from morning. You know, with my CMAS and spirulina. So everybody are going with a healthy meal, you know. I've just made an eye with the eye name. Bakari.
Yeah.
And you're also a YouTuber as well, right?
Right.
Goes by
My channel is Nomad Noir.
Nomad Noir.
Yeah.
That's so like Noah.
Huh?
Nomad Noah.
Noir means black.
He's black.
Yeah.
Okay, Noah means black. Representing. So what's your channel is like about?
My channel showcases my travels through different countries. Lived in South Africa, Greece, Spain, Turkey, all across Asia. Coming up, I'm heading to Africa. I'm going to be in Ghana and Nigeria.
Okay.
And so we're going to do a whole tour around Africa. And
Yes.
so yeah.
So
I just became a Jamaican citizen, so I wanted to come to Kingston, come spend time with
speak up yourself. Welcome. You see that? Man just become a citizen. You know the thing goes already.
wanted to make sure that get here.
Of course. Welcome to the citizen, man.
I appreciate that.
Citizenship every time.
10 seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Overcome Nation. My last video when I do a couple days ago.
Yeah.
This is the virgin I'm talk about.
Yeah.
Kino life in Jamaica. The guy is also a musician. But the guy hide him talent, you know.
Yeah.
If you listen to him intro,
Yeah.
check out the channel Kino Life in Jamaica. Listen to the intro and tell me if the man is not an artist, a musician.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Kino Life in Jamaica.
And that's the thing. You know, we not faker. You know, Jamaica. Right. Well. Blessed love. Guys, you know it's that morning. Where we're gonna head out for a couple of days. You know. Hello. Alright, Mama. Later. Mama, yeah. So, this guy. Yes, man. I will thank this guy. So I'm gonna head to the airport now. You know, it's that time. We just make a quick trip and come back. You know, so stay tuned on my journey. You know, it goes already. So this best is yet to come. You know, and Mr. This is a great link up. You know, to support each other. You know, on our journey. You know, so that's how it goes. Lily. Here's Lily. What's up, Lily? Morning, Lily. Eh? Yeah.
We're gonna buy something for you.
Lily want food. Hey, buy her mackerel. A mackerel show her, yeah. Hey, buy a mackerel for her. Lily, you're gonna get mackerel, okay? And Papa Chow. Papa Chow done. Yeah, mackerel. Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna head downtown. I don't know, so I know the thing goes already. So stay tuned on this journey. That good. Alright guys, so I'm on my way now. You know what time it is. It's that time. It's that time again, you know, so I'm on my way now heading to the airport. I'm literally on time, you know. Just like they say, on time God, so yeah, I'm on time, so no rush. can take my time and just cruise. You know, if I want, I can spend an extra 20 minutes and waste it if I want, you know. But them say you have to always check in about 2 or 3 hours before, you know, so it's always very. Reason B, because you know say it's going to be a long line of people checking in and you don't want to be caught at the back of that line. But when time playing a board and you're not there, trust me, you're going to get left a road. You see me? I'm here with the only living hero.
That is
because,
one team, you know?
Yeah. You know, that's my cause, only living hero, isn't it? Only hero alive right now.
Yes,
you know, the man risk his own alive to save another life. You know, so you know the people that live forever. Isn't it? Because I'm a hero. Hero in heaven, a hero on earth.
Yeah. Angelic, you know?
Yes, yeah, they're my angelic beings. Yeah, the thing goes already, guys. So, yes, man. Well, the weather looking good so far. You know, can't complain, but you know, rain not start falling these times. About after 1, 2 o'clock, then they say 3 o'clock is when clouds start to come in. So, hopefully, when they get too much rain, you know, hopefully there's not too much turbulence as well too, because you know, so they say tropical depression and develop. So. Hopefully we're not getting none of that, you know, but I'm still prepared for that, you know. So we pray and know say your God will definitely protect us on our way, you know, because we never think nothing negative, so we'll definitely be around. So yes guys, so this journey will be a nice journey, you know, nice experience, you know, to paint up with the Sunrise team, you know, with this culture fest, you know, link up to meet different culture people, getting to know each other, you know, because we got a lot of work doing, you know, for the future. Trust me, you know, because we're looking to get in a dentist, you know, and the next trip come down, you know, do some denture, and also, you know, then trying to we're gonna speak it into being, you know, have a clinic in Trenchtown that is well needed as well too. So imagine have a clinic in Trenchtown, you know, we can give the support where the people need. Great, you know, so we have greater things ahead, you know, so we give thanks for everything that the team has put together, you know, and who's at the back end as well, who's also helping out. We all really appreciate them so much. So you have to give thanks to the Almighty, if you know Him and put things in place, you know. So in life you have to have faith. Faith is patient. If you don't have patience, trust me, you're gonna get derailed. I don't want to get derailed off that track. You want to stay on track till when the time is right. So yes man, so this is the journey. As you can see, it's partly cloudy, barely sun, because the sun down in the cloud, you know. So as you can see some clouds, it's not too clear, but yeah, you know, later on you probably get some rain. So JetBlue, I'm begging you, please don't delay. I always do. That's true. One thing with JetBlue. I know how they can overcome this delay thing, you know, so I don't know. I don't know, but JetBlue boy. So we're on Marcus Garvey Drive, you know. Not too much of a traffic, you know, it's not too congested going in, so smooth sailing so far. So moving on time. Boy, we know we're gonna get some rain today. Never check the ground, know we're gonna get some rain. The weather. JUTC. The rain is coming down. on? We see the sign gone. And the sign gone. The Norman Manley.
Yeah, airport.
Where the sign gone?
But when I pass it down, Mr. Cons.
No, but you always sit at the front, yeah, so.
Yeah, international airport.
Yeah, guys, the sign disappear. Wonder what going on.
Refurbished.
Must under maintenance. I mean, I say, what God? When I see the sign.
International airport. So it's empty today.
Beautiful now.
That's again.
Can't put yourself up on the side, you know, let's go. Yeah, I'll put the table to sit down, man. Alright, alright.
Huh?
That's the one.
Then go to Florida. JetBlue. Them start already?
Just come on.
Oh.
Gas machine.
Eh?
I get a bag tire gas machine. You show the agent a passport and you're good to go.
They respect, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, big up. Yes, guys, so I'm here, you know. Well, it's not that full, you know, at least kind of early, so I can check in from early, you know, so checking in over there, JetBlue, bag tags. You can drive here, right? JetBlue. Alright guys, so I'm getting checked in, you know, because, you know, time, it's not so busy today, so hopefully we don't have any delay. Is there any delay so far?
No, your flight is not delayed.
So far, no delay, so that's good. Because, you know, everything is already JetBlue, so.
Coffee, no delayed. I'm sure you have no liquid powder or gel, 3.4 ounces or more in your personal pieces.
Yeah. Write it down now, I'm not leave till I write it down. I write it down for Britannia and put it in your pocket. So you don't dash it. KINO Kino Live LIFE in Jamaica. So we will only hear your voice. Yeah? Then these guys are being checked in. I don't think I should go upstairs yet, even though it's a bit early. You know, so I did want to get something to eat, so I don't know where I'm gonna actually get something to eat. I'll have to go upstairs. You know what happened, guys? I wake up late. You know, I went to my bed late because I was trying to upload a video. So while I was doing so, I ended up, you know, overslept. So I overslept, you know, so I get up so I couldn't get to eat anything. So hopefully when I go upstairs now, I can get something to eat, you know. So everything is sorted, book and ready to go, you understand? So yeah. So guys, if you're watching, just know that I'm in Sunrise, you know, I'm in Florida. So if you're close by locally in Florida, I want to link up, meet up, guys, hit me up. I'll be there, you know. I won't be there for long, you know, it's a short stay, you know. This is only a quick short stay, you know. It's not my travel what I want to do, because next time I'm coming, I'm going to be spending a longer time, you know. So this time is a quick trip, you know, to get to know others on the other side, you know. So so I think I'm gonna need some food right now, you know, food. They know all food is upstairs, so downstairs, you know what, I should go drink a jelly first. I think that's the best thing to do, drink a jelly and come back, you know. So time is it? 11:21. So I'm going to drink that jelly and come back. Well, guys, you know the thing going, you know, a one C-View link, and you know what is Kumar, international reggae artist, you know your thing go Kumar.
Yo, we there, I give thanks to life, you know, man.
Yes,
like, big up. Yes, Chacha.
Yeah. I don't know what's out new.
Well, brand new album, Fields of Reality.
Yeah.
Check it, man.
See there.
Kumar meets the 18 parallel. Check it out, Fields of Reality.
Give them a 15 seconds. Give them 10
We
seconds.
never need them gun. That now in another kingdom. Go check the album.
Check it out. That night in another kingdom. Alright, you go. Yeah, man, that's it's getting busy. Slightly. As you can see, it's getting busy now. So it's a good thing. It's a good thing I came early. You know, so it's a good thing I came early so I can get everything sorted out now. I'll be on my way. So going up to departure. Yeah, big up yourself, man.
I never see me on TV now.
Yeah. There's every day I've been watching.
Yeah, man, every day. But young D everywhere.
Yeah, these out the country now, you know.
She left New York?
Yeah, she's in Dominica.
Okay.
Yeah.
I did see that.
Yeah, that's where she is now. But when you're ready, man, you can pass through. Alright guys, so everything is being checked, you know, everything checked. So it's just time to wait on my flight. So far there is no delay, you know, none at all. So that is also good. You know, that is a plus. So guys, guess what? There's Island Grill. So once there's Island Grill, I can get that ital stew, which is so good. I can get some ital stew.
I wasn't sure who they did to pick up
Cash.
This festival, when
1,000 how many?
$880. You okay?
$880. And guys, I'm getting some ital stew. You know, the veggie chunks. You know, ital is vital, right? They say ital is vital, so you
If you're checking the smart bag containing available lithium battery, please remember that before you check it.
Alright guys, so here's the veggie stew. This is veggie chunks with stew, plantain, and rice and peas, and a festival, which is I'm not gonna eat. Yeah, but this is veggie chunks. See how much you know about veggie chunks? This is veggie chunks here with 2 pieces of plantain and rice and festival. So yeah, so I have this first. Alright guys, so yes, I have my food. So it's time to go aboard. So I'm going to go out to the gate now, you know, so just add my food and I feel much better. Get one for my belly full, 2 full. I eat out that big box of food. And the grill, packet racket. I don't know who. Oh yeah, Jimmy, Romian, Virgo. You know, one.
La hora local es la 1. Welcome to board.
Go ahead and ask from me.
Okay, 1 minute.
Once your documents is checked, you can proceed. So your passport.
Flight 1096 to Fort Lauderdale and drop to destination to Burnaby Rhino Zone. Again, if you have A, B, C, if you on your boarding pass, you're welcome to board.
It's like I eat too much food. Then I feel stiff. You know, like I had too much to eat. So true. I feel uneasy. And it's not really good feeling uneasy when you're flying, you know. Worst time to feel uneasy when you're flying. Oh gosh. Stomach turn out.
Leaving again sometime after 20. I don't know which one to be now. More possibly Florida or maybe Fort Lauderdale. I know they were here early in the storm. And they were trying to get back to Jamaica before the storm, so they keep it up to Jamaica.
Complete and a very good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our JetBlue Airways. Please insert your carry-on and opening completely beneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment. For your safety, and this is for your personal safety, you should have nothing behind your feet or between your feet. Your items do need to slide completely forward for takeoff and landing. If you are traveling with a laptop computer, those also must be stowed for departure beneath the seat in front of you or in overhead. They may not be stowed in our seatback pockets. They are too heavy and they can tear those pockets. All electronic devices may be held in your lap and placed in the seatback pocket in front of you for easy access after takeoff. For those of you that may be plugged into the NC power outlet, charging the device, you do need to unplug those devices at this time. We'll let you know once it's safe to plug them back in. But for now, all devices must be unplugged from the NC power outlet.
Yes. Some say it's bright and sunny, you know. No sign of rain, so no delay. It's on time.
yourself with performance functions. Subscribe on the safety information card. Please let us know. We'll find you a different seat. Thank you, and welcome aboard.
guys, so literally just touched down. Yes, so
I'm wondering.
Yeah, you still have to have some more.
yes guys, so the flight was alright. It wasn't rough that bad, it was safe flight coming in. So going to get outside now. And yeah, there wasn't no turbulence at all, so it was a clean slate coming through, very clean, no problem at all. So yes, when arriving time, we wasn't even late, not even, so it wasn't no delay. JetBlue, you see the color blue, and I'm even wearing blue today, so at least no delay. JetBlue, thank you. I need my blue as well, to the place is blue. The color keeps changing, so yeah. Give thanks to the Almighty for the safe flight. So just touched down at the airport. Tracksuit and the Air Force.
Last week, and it's not it was coming back.
I thought that was it. And there is it. Well, I'm outside now. It's a good thing my bike came down early, so I kind of beat the line, My suitcase came down so early, I was so happy. It's like my suitcase was at the front of the line. It never took no time to come down. As soon as it came down, come quick and fast, so it didn't take long. So I'm here now, I'm here. So they're on their way to come around, to come and pick me up. So yes guys, so stay tuned.
I watch you from you leave England and come on the place and start doing thing. Right? And boy, I lift my hat to you for what you're doing in a jungle.
Trenchtown.
Yeah, Trenchtown. I'm an original jungle.
Okay, John, please. Big up.
Yeah, man. And tell myself, say, I wanted to get a number for you. I can talk and tell you when I can drive in. Or can try some things. But I'll be happy if D is around. I've never watched D for a long time. From Philippines, coming to Europe, she was doing Scandinavia. The first trip, she come to Montego Bay.
Okay.
And the first person D talk to is the man who give her a rundown, a sham shop, and all of them.
In Mobe. Yes.
Why you have been more than a father to her,
Yes.
The whole, I tell you the truth, all Kenya, people follow YouTube, check for you, man.
Yes,
so I
true.
tell myself, say, when I see Kino, I'm going to see if him have that available time. And I will do Holy Pipe, man, right?
Yes,
and
yes.
if one day me and you could link, because I've been all over the world, you know, but I've never been to Africa. And I want to go to Africa. You know what people talk about Ghana, Sierra Leone.
Yeah. Cool. Big up, big up. Yeah.
What you would be?
Yeah, man. Respect, man. Respect.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I know for people have association with Ghana and Nigeria and Sierra Leone, Togo, in other words. But me, based on what me see, how the Kenyan people respond, my young people, that's one of my first places.
First base.
You know?
Yeah.
And look, me say, boy, if me only get a person, the money is not the problem, because as long as we can go and need somebody, don't want me alone, you know, from Jamaica.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, you must have me. You can take me number, you know?
Yes, I have my number, right?
Yes.
Just send me a message.
Alright,
And I will connect with you.
Yeah, man. When you come back to Jamaica, and I'll come in here.
Alright, no problem.
I'm a delicate guy.
A
reason, man.
Yeah.
And if you can, I'm going to make you move one day. Yeah, you're going to make it. Unsigned.
Unsigned.
Come on. ANSINE.
Once you text me, I will know you.
My first name, Irvin, you know?
Irvin, yeah. Once you text me, I will know it's you. For sure.
Yeah, man. So you'll be around for a while?
Yeah, not for long, for a couple of days. Yeah, man, sorry. After we say, right? Yes, guys, so you know, I always have to give a huge thanks and a shout out to our subscribers whenever we see them, you know, because I always appreciate them, you know. Thanks for the love, that them always watch the program and support the program, you know. So we always give thanks and thanks them so much for watching Kina Live in Jamaica, you know. And whenever you're watching, please put the thumbs up whenever you're watching, you know, that for right hand, you just when like this, you just press it, you know, and give us support whenever you can, just press it like this, you know, help the program grow. So if you're watching this far, you haven't subscribed yet, you can please go on, subscribe, you know, help the program grow. So that is how we're moving forward in life, help each other grow, you know. So we met subscribers already, you know, so we have many more to meet. So I don't know about, hopefully we can get to meet some more subscribers while I'm here. And I wasn't even planning for like a meet and greet because of the timing. So let's see what can happen. You never know what can happen. So just let's see. So hope and pray that we can do so in the short space of time what we have here, right? So let's see. Hello.
Yeah, let her fly.
It's alright. Look at her face. Hello.
How are you? Welcome to Fort Lauderdale.
Hey, Fort Lauderdale.
Yes, welcome.
I'm here.
Wow.
Look at that,
My God. We were saying last Thursday, you actually came to pick us up, and this week they're here to pick you up.
Exactly. Last Thursday and this Thursday you're picking me up.
Yeah.
What a day for Thursday.
Yes.
We should have some get together on Thursday. You know?
Yes.
Black Friday on Thursday.
And you see
the black party on Thursday.
Right.
Everything on Thursday, boy.
How was the flight?
It was good. It was swift, you know, no delay.
Yes.
Nothing at all, you know. Everything was working smoothly. I was surprised.
Yeah.
Because you know JetBlue already. Always delay.
Yes.
It was good, you know.
And Pat is very good with the driving.
Yeah.
She drives like a taxi man.
Hey, there's an upper yard.
Oh my God.
Upper yard, boy.
And Kina, just when we're getting ready to leave, this lady came with a U-Haul truck and ran into one of the overhang at work. and tore it, ripped it off.
Wow.
Yeah.
Just now?
Just a while ago, so we had to stop, get the police, everything.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah. So we were like, oh my God.
No one ever get hurt though?
No, no.
Okay.
She just wanted to check out the building.
Okay. And she basically had tear down the building. Basically, yes, it's nice to be here though.
Yes,
you know?
yes.
It's really, really nice
How
to
is
be
the
here.
dream team?
Oh, they're good, man. They're good, they're good. I imagine here you have this lady, she's preacher lady, and she went down there like 2 days ago. And she sat down with Boom and she was like preaching and saying that you know, Kina is going foreign Thursday without she knowing anything.
Wow. Oh really?
Yeah. And she didn't know nothing at all because yesterday I released that video.
Right. We saw it. We saw it.
So like, wow. And she said like, Kina is here in heaven. You know, he's safe. You don't have to worry. And she told me that I was leaving on Thursday. I'm like, wow. Because when I went, I was telling Boom that I'm going today. Boom like, the lady come and she was saying the same thing that you're leaving on Thursday.
Wow.
I'm like, what?
Wow. That's amazing.
I'm telling you, boy.
But it's funny because when some of the employees looking at the video, Miss Joanne in laundry, she said, I know Kino. Yeah. She said, I have been subscribing to Kino and Dee for the longest while.
Long time.
She said she used to subscribe to Dee, and that's how she picked you up.
Okay. So things rest, man. I got a lot of subscribers. Yeah. I met 2 while I was in the airport just now there. Just now. Always there.
But Kino, oh my God, the weekend, wow, we'll never forget that weekend.
Yeah.
Wow. Now we are in the traffic jam because this is peak hour.
Peak hours.
Yeah.
Welcome, boys. That's what it always is, man. Peak hours, bumper to bumper.
Well, the good thing about it, the hotel you're staying is pretty close to the facility.
Yes.
So you're going to be right there.
So neighbor.
I'm close to the facility.
And Pat is like what?
Very close.
Very close.
From there.
So Saturday is the big day.
Well, guys, well.
Back together again.
We're back together again. You know, it's only a fraction, a mini fraction of the tea, but so excited. We're back again. You know, you think the journey continues. You know, I'm so excited. I cannot wait. You know, it's going to be super cool.
Yes,
So
last Thursday we were in Jamaica, this Thursday Kino is in America.
Yeah, exactly. Everyone keeps talking about your energy. I like, you know, love that woman's spirit, you know. I'm telling you, the energy is up.
Yep.
So, you know, part of the secret weapon, you know, trust me, you know. Quiet but deadly.
That's real nephew.
Hey, quiet but deadly. Yes, guys, so let's make a stop to get something to eat. You know, it goes already right here at Golden Crust. I know most of you know Golden Crust already, so, but trust me, we just feel nice. Feel nice. weather, it's nice. It's not that hot. Is it this one around there? This one?
Walk here. I can just look and see what else on the line.
Okay, so this is the facility. All of this here on the left.
Yes. It's the rear of the facility. It's not like the rear.
Okay.
All the way around.
Yeah. It's a big rehab.
The largest in Broward County.
Okay. Wow. You know what I mean? I think I want small rehab. Hey. So everything kind of you can walk from one end to the next, right?
From north to south.
North to south. See the whole center, guys. So this is the Sunrise Rehab Center that you're looking at. You know, circling the building. You can see all the flags.
Yes,
all the different. Yes. Hey. Big center, boy. So this is the Sunrise team. Ain't no joke team. It's not no moonrise thing. It's a Sunrise thing. It's like a hospital itself, man.
Yes, it's a rehab and yes, it's a health and rehab. Everything here.
All of this.
All of it.
So long now this been here? A long time?
40 years.
40 years?
Yes.
Oh.
We had new owners 2 years ago.
Yeah.
So we're now renovating. And it has been the best thing that could have ever happened to us. Yes, we have wonderful owners, as you can see. So this is the sign, Sunrise Health and Rehab Center.
Let me get that back.
Yes.
Yeah. Sunrise Health and Rehab Center. Wow, guys, so we're here, you know, we're here at the Sunrise Health Rehab Center. You know, this Sunrise Health and Rehab Center, it's very big, you know. I never expected it would be this big. It is huge, you know. As you can see, the car just circle around the building, you know, the whole entire lot, you know. As you can see, this is all of it, all the way around and around and around and around. both sides. So I just said this is one of the biggest rehab center here in the borough. You know, so it's very big, trust me. Big, very, very big. Huge. You know, go all the way down to the next end. It's big, man. You don't get lost in here.
No.
No.
You might miss the way one or a few times, but you won't get lost.
Yes.
Because the staff, they're so friendly that if they see you coming through and you look a little bit disoriented, they're like, where are you going? I'm gonna help you, and then they guide you through.
Yes, wow. I never expected this, to be honest. I was surprised, you know. I was surprised. Wow. And for you guys to find the time to come to Trenchtown when you got so much on your hand right here already, you know. It's really, really big, man.
Come inside.
Hey.
Get your food. Yes. Yeah, I'll take it. I'll keep it since he's going to have the camera.
Yeah. Wow. Big center. So that's how many different nations work here then, man?
We have 37 countries represented.
37. That's a lot.
The flags, all the flags you see,
they
are represented. Come on, meet Kino. the big surprise. Give him a hug. This is Vivian.
Hi, how you doing? Nice to meet you. I hear so much about you. Everything's good?
Everything is great.
Oh, good.
So happy to be here.
All right. So we see you Saturday.
All right then, Saturday.
All right. Take care.
All right then. So I guess this is the entrance from here. Rolling through the flags.
See our bus, Kino? That's our bus.
Oh, this is the bus. Okay. Hello.
Full effect.
Yeah.
You alright?
Yes, welcome.
Welcome.
You know, shake them. You know,
I love that. Alright. All love, right?
Yes,
All love.
You subscribe?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
You did?
I did.
Okay.
10 people?
You get 10?
You're supposed to
Send it to 10 people?
Yes.
Alright, I'll do it right
so
now.
10.
Alright, I got you.
Alright then.
Alright, guys, see you tomorrow.
Alright then. Wow, walking through all these flags. I know what I mean? It was the one that started it. You know? Eyes green and gold. It's the one that started it, you know?
Yes.
Couldn't miss it. That's one color you cannot miss nowhere in the world.
And the Union Jack is here.
Yes. That one is in the Wall Chef shop.
Yes.
British. It's so beautiful walking through all these flags, though. It's really, really nice. Can you know me that thing? I'll just eat at the hotel when I go back. Yeah, I'm gonna put in the car.
Oh, it's alright. Since we have it, yeah, she'll put it in our office.
Yeah. Wow.
Welcome to Sunrise Health and Rehab, Kino.
Cheese. See there? Enter. See there?
This is Kino, live in Jamaica.
Hello. Yes.
Good job. Glad to see you. Nice to meet you.
Somebody just asked my question.
Come here, what you ask? Come here.
They're telling your ears.
Of course. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. Okay? Hey, Kino, you'll be coming to Crust tomorrow, right?
Yes.
You know what I'm going to, right?
Of course.
Saturday, be there.
Of course. I'm here from
10 o'clock until 7.
I'm gonna be here from 8.
Okay?
Yes.
And I'll be with you.
Okay.
I'll be right here
What's
too.
your name?
Michelle.
Michelle. Oh, she's got my mom name.
Oh, yeah.
That's my mom name, Michelle.
There you go. I'm a second mom then.
Okay. I got so much. No.
One of them.
You're one of them. You're one of them. You're one of them. Yes. One of them. Definitely for sure. Wow.
Right,
Lovely.
so we're going to give you a tour. So here we have one of our main dining rooms.
Okay.
So we're renovating. So this is where we're going to keep like the different countries, display and all of that, and the foods. Because each country will have their food display.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. Big things are going on, man.
So they did the painting and everything. That's them not to tell you everything. So
Yes. Person, not everything. Well, no, I understand what Pat is saying, so I'm gonna see some big things happening.
Yeah, so we're renovating. We have been renovating for the last 2 years.
Okay.
Changing up everything. Over there is a locked unit, our dementia unit.
Okay.
Over here, wow, you guys have done well. Wow, they did all the painting.
Yes.
Wow, very good. Yes, and now they're gonna do the flooring like this.
Okay.
Wow, excellent.
Wow. They're working, man. Big up, man. Big up, big up, big up.
Yeah. He's from Sunrise. He's our maintenance from Sunrise.
I've seen the shirt.
Yeah. But these guys will get all of them. Don't worry. Tomorrow get all of them.
Wow. Where's that breeze coming from? Outside?
Yes.
Outside?
Yes. Yeah.
This is going to be a big partner.
Hello.
How are you guys doing?
Good.
Atrium. Hi. So there's a rehab room in there for OT. So this is one floor. Down there, we're doing a dialysis center that they're working on.
Kidney dialysis.
Yes. So we're going to have kidney. Hi.
Hi.
One of our nurses.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
So you know Kino?
No, I don't know.
Kino Life in Jamaica. He's a blogger. So he's here.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Yes.
Welcome to Sunrise. You're doing a good job.
You need to subscribe.
I pray for you. All right, darling. Thank you. Bye.
Oh, is that nice building here, man?
Yeah.
So how many patients?
We have a capacity for 237 now.
Okay.
Today we are 216. We're low.
Oh.
We usually run like 230, 225 to 230.
Oh, okay.
He's alright.
Is that right? So when it's like winter time down here, the breeze kind of change slightly.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's cold. You
Yeah,
can feel it from outside.
Yes.
So we have like a little terrace outside tomorrow. You'll see. Hi. Hello. How you doing? I'm fine. These are all offices. Huh? You want the patches? Yeah. I'm ready to go down. Put this in your office.
Pat's office.
So this is Pat's office.
Hey, step in a Pat office. Sure.
The DON is on room. Pat is the DON.
Step in a Pat office.
Hi. How are you?
Oh. Alright. Oh.
Okay, it's cool. This is Pat's office. And you can see she likes yellow.
Yeah. Why you like yellow, Pat?
Yellow is just so bright and it puts had a little.
It's the sunlight, right?
The sun, yes.
The sunlight, wow. Pat office is so nice.
Yep.
Neat.
Nice front floor.
So this is where you take all the calls? You
Some
know?
calls. I take some calls outside too.
Okay.
But I go and I see patients outside as well. We work together with the entire facility.
Yes.
CNAs, some nurses, anybody.
You know,
Anybody who needs my help.
I'm really glad so I could get the opportunity to come here so you know the entire viewers and everyone can see where the sunrise is literally coming from. You know, so right now they're gonna look at it on a bigger aspect. You know, so whenever we ask for the help, when they say we need to come together, they realize Sunrise really take the time out to come all the way to Trenchtown, you know. Even find the time to watch the YouTube as well too, you know. For all the work we got cut out right here, you know, because this is a lot.
Oh yes.
Trust me, it's a lot to do this and then find the time to come there. Hey, hats off to you guys, man. Sure. Hats off to you guys, man. Yeah, it's from the heart, actually.
Yes, we wanted to be a part of your mission. And when we had made the decision to come to visit, we knew that we were coming to share in your vision and to give back.
To give back.
And we have so many ideas, so many skills that we can share.
Yes.
You know, so we're just so grateful that you have allowed us to participate, you know, because this is not easy.
It's not.
But we're happy.
But I'm so amazed because you got so much thing to do right here. And you still take the time just to come there, you know, to do that when there is more need here where you're helping as well, you know, because they're here at the rehab center. So that means they're not stable in their minds and on them health.
Yes.
At least now some can walk and move along in Trenchtown, but here, like once a year we can say, boy, I'm calling it a day because things
get a lot.
Yes.
And we get them home. We get them home.
Wow.
Yeah. But we have a leadership team of over 40.
Okay.
Yes, 40 employees, and we have over 400 employees.
Wow.
Yes, any given day we have almost 200 working for 24 hours. So it's around the clock.
Around the clock.
Yes.
24 hours.
Yes.
Wow.
We have a very strong team. And most of all, we have outstanding owners. We can't stop mentioning because the resources that we have gotten, there's nowhere else that we can compare.
No.
And that is why we are number one.
Yes. Number one.
Yes.
Wow.
Sunrise is
So that's why I
number
would
one.
say, when I say sunrise, you say team. When I say team, you say sunrise. Sunrise, team. Team, sunrise. Dream team, one team. One team, dream team. So that's gonna be the sunrise. Just listen when you hear sunrise, team. Team, sunrise. Dream team,
one team.
One team,
dream team.
Alright, so we got that one side out already. You know?
Alright,
So-
let's keep going.
Alright then. Yes.
So, hi.
Hi.
This is the nursing home section.
Oh.
So we haven't started finishing. Hello.
Hello.
Finishing renovating
Oh.
this area.
Okay.
Yeah. Some of the rooms they're working on.
Yeah.
But some, hi, how are you?
Alright, no problem. Alright, no problem. Yes, brother. Okay, so wow.
We're still.
How many rooms is it?
Oh my God. I have privates, this, that, I have different, I can't even remember off my head.
So yeah, about
I have semi-privates and privates.
okay.
Yeah.
So about 100 rooms?
Yeah, because we have
Hello.
25, so you know it's a lot.
So it's about 100.
Jenna! You're late. This is Kina, Life in Jamaica.
How are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Look at the bounce house that's coming.
Whoa, let me see it. Wow, that's what the bounce house that we're gonna get.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
I know, right? That's what I was saying too.
Jenna is our director of social services.
Yes,
Hello.
hi.
She was supposed to come to Trenchtown and she
Yes.
missed the flight.
She missed the flight.
That's a good one. She missed the flight.
Missed the flight.
Yes.
Yeah.
Next year.
Yeah.
Definitely for sure.
Yes.
Definitely for sure. So I'm gonna hold you to that.
All right. We're doing the same time?
Yeah. So we're just round about the same time.
Yeah.
We're just giving him a tour of the facility.
You just arrived today?
Yeah.
Look.
Look. Hello.
He's our 311 supervisor.
Yes.
Charmaine, you know
Surprise.
I was gonna ask about you today.
Surprise. Yeah, look guys. Surprise.
I was about to ask you about him today.
And then you come out and see me, right?
Happy to see you.
Yeah, I'm happy to be here,
Oh
man.
my God.
It feels so good now meeting you in your place.
I know, right?
You know?
It's a Thursday.
Yeah, it's a Thursday.
I know, welcome, right?
Yes, so it's a Thursday thing. So we're gonna have a Thursday. Each and every
I was
Thursday.
going to call you to ask you about, you know.
Mm.
You don't have to call me.
All right, come like you. Hi, Robert. Yeah,
Yes.
So this,
You said yes, it's Saturday.
to the left is the main dining.
Okay.
Rosa, this is Kino. Life
Rosa.
in Jamaica.
Okay. How you doing, Jutu?
Yes. Rosa, let me get a look at you. Rosa, nice meeting you. Okay.
Yes.
Rosa
Rosa
Cruz,
is the
right?
director.
Cruz. Yes, look at this.
Hey.
Rosa Cruz working in Sunrise.
Hey.
Yes.
Wow.
This is another dining area.
Okay. So dining area.
Yes, so they're closed for supper. They're finished with supper.
Okay.
Yes.
It's for the staff?
No, patients.
Patients.
So they-
Yeah, we see the big bus. We need to bring the bus to Trenchtown next time. You know, drive around.
Oh, Sonia, I'm watching. Sonia, did you spend all of my money? Oh my God. Sonia, I'm watching.
I did so.
Oh, okay.
It's not enough.
Okay, all right. Okay,
Oh.
that's what I know. Okay, Sonia is the director of housekeeping. This is Kina Life in Jamaica.
Hi, King. How are you?
No, we have Sonia.
Yeah, we are.
Yes.
Yes.
So these are all our decorations.
Oh, so she's hiding. So Sonia is hiding. So she don't want no one to see what they're packing.
Yes. Hi, here's the surprise.
Hello.
Kina Life in Jamaica.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. Yes, Kina Life in Jamaica. Come on. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. Nice meeting you. Hello. How you doing? Yeah. Oh. Let me show them you. Alright, there you go. Welcome. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, man. I'm
You're
good.
good?
Yeah, I'm excited to be here.
Oh, we're happy to have you here.
Thank you so
Welcome.
much. Thank you so much.
Hope we treat you well. Will you?
Well, let's see. Yes, let's see.
Let's see.
All right, then.
We're going to roll out the red carpet for you.
Oh, gosh. The grass is good enough.
Okay. The grass is good enough. Okay.
Yes.
All
Thank
right.
you so much,
Not
man.
a problem.
So,
Thank you for everything
I'll leave
that
to
you
do your work. I will get together whenever you got time, okay?
Okay. We appreciate you, though.
Thank you so
All
much.
that you do.
All right, thank you
You know,
so much.
you know, with that assignment that you have,
Yeah,
just know that it comes from God.
true.
Just know that God bless you. Well, what we do in secret, God rewards us openly.
Openly.
So you're doing it from your heart. So you know God will reward you greatly.
Thank you
So
so
continue
much.
to do
Of
that.
course.
And be blessed.
Yes, and you're in the same field as well too, you know, the same thing from your heart, because you have to have the heart to do what you're doing also,
Right.
you know, because we're trying to help each other,
Right.
you know, it's life,
It's life.
you know, so we're living, we love, we laugh,
Exactly.
you know.
I agree.
I agree, right? We're gonna catch up then, right?
All right, not a problem.
All right, then take care.
All right, you too.
All right, bye. Wow. Wow.
Okay, you want to see my
Oh yeah, that's my little corner back there.
Look, where's your office over there?
Over on the other side of the wall.
Okay, so we know where to find you.
Exactly.
You know, we know where, know where to find you. All right.
All right, now.
All right, have a good
All right.
night.
So this is where all the magic happens.
Yeah, this is Joanne's office, my assistant.
Yeah. She's not here today.
No, she and Dara came down the phone.
Oh.
This is my assistant administrator that you're going to meet tomorrow. Eddie, that's his office.
Okay.
And then here is my office.
Wow. I see you got the Nutri bars right here.
Yes, we have all the
Wow.
stuff here. So
Lovely.
this is my office. So I bought you lunch. But since you say you didn't want to get.
Of course, I want them both.
You want them both?
Both.
Yeah,
Oh,
this
big
is
episode.
salmon salad.
Yeah.
Do you want it to?
Take it to the hotel.
Because I bought it for you.
Yeah, take it to the hotel.
Okay, let me turn off these lights.
I'll be working
Yeah.
all night tonight with this
Do
video.
you have any Jamaican t-shirt to wear for Saturday?
No.
Oh my God, I was supposed to tell you.
Yeah,
to
only
wear
if you
something
tell me.
Jamaican. I forgot.
And I got Jamaican
Yeah, they were
t-shirt at
just
home, you know.
asking me if you had a Jamaican t-shirt for Saturday.
Wow. And I got Jamaican t-shirt at home, you know. Wow.
He said he forgot to bring his. We never told him to bring the Jamaican t-shirt.
I got
I thought about it this morning.
We need a Jamaican t-shirt.
representing.
Representing.
You can come swap shop.
Yeah.
She's not coming tomorrow.
And get my Jamaican kerchief and all this.
But you can't walk here, you know.
I'm going to write it down so
Yeah.
You got the surprise.
Let's see what you're saying.
Yeah.
just did like you are doing.
She's like, oh, is that Kino?
You're not coming back this way?
Yes, I'm gonna
Oh,
take
you're
him. I'm gonna take it to B wing, let them see them and come back.
So this is A wing?
Yes, this is A.
Wow.
This
So,
is A wing.
I thought I reached at the end.
Yeah, no.
Guys, imagine that. All the walk I've been walking at.
I'm gonna come in. Are you gonna come with me now? Yes. Okay.
So this is one wing. I thought to finish the whole building already. No.
So we haven't renovated her yet.
Oh gosh.
So we're going because just imagine we have patients. These are like the employees area.
Yeah.
Now over here is the B wing.
B wings.
And it is
welcome to B wing.
Yeah.
Welcome to B.
Okay, see you later.
Alright, later.
So she's in charge of the shift.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is our B wing.
So B wing is for who?
Rehab.
Oh, rehab.
Those double doors now we have is for B-Tech.
Okay.
Hospice.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh. Yeah. And the A wing is for?
A wing is where we have the offices like administration offices.
Okay.
Okay. So this is one of our small rehab gyms.
Okay.
Hi, Dean.
So this is where you take them
fine.
through. Alright, man. Bless up. Oh, so this is where you take them through the training.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is another one.
Yeah, it's like a therapy room, right?
Yeah, that's the therapy room. Alright. And yeah. So I'm gonna show you like our conference room. Is that the new one? Oh, I was saying no. Why you going to be like that? No, we were saying you're a nice looking guy. You know, Shelly didn't lie.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I'm going right where I'm supposed to go. You know how I'm going here, Shelly.
Yeah.
Spotlight there. Okay, alright. This office is closed, but I will show you. I won't follow the Shelly.
I hope you subscribe already.
Of course, I did.
Okay, no doubt.
So this is our conference room.
Okay.
So we had it on the big monitor to show them on Monday.
Oh.
When we came back on Monday, we showed them.
Wow. So guys, so look at the conference room. Hey, sunrise ain't no
Still
joke.
on the renovation.
Yeah. Wow. Beautiful.
All right, and then bye,
Alarm.
And over here is where we store everything to set the trench down.
Okay. So this is the trench stone room. So you're gonna have the trench stone right here. So guys, so this is the trench stone room.
I don't know. I have to look at my bag. What you want?
The keys.
Yes, man. I do. Here. Oh, the supervisor key. So I check to see if it's in my office.
We're just looking for
in my office. I'll check when I go back. Oh, so this is the classroom.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you teach them also?
Why is the lights off?
Oh.
This is education. So the training takes place here. So you have the mannequin.
Oh,
so we
okay.
teach them the skills, the computer.
So you got students that comes there?
No, that's the employees.
The employees.
The
Oh,
new
okay.
RNTs, and if we have to put them back to educate, you know, so retraining.
Okay, okay, I see. I see, guys, see? Hey. So now they're gonna see what sunrise really is. You know, they might think sunrise is just some group of people come out their house to come to Trenchtown, you know?
No,
we don't know training. They like this is proper professional, you know, like any big edge. Yeah, of course, very big, you know, and I hope everyone can see, you know, that listen, the privilege that we get there in Trenchtown.
Wow. You know what? You know what I'm saying? She got the surprise.
Yeah. Wow. The privilege that Trenchtown got, you know?
Yep.
You see that in life, you never know what's out there.
Boy, I'm so happy now. You know what?
We're gonna win. We're gonna win.
Be on my midterm chemical.
She's in charge of the Hispanic group.
Oh, Hispanic group.
So it's very competitive.
Yeah. So where she finished last year?
She's gonna win.
Oh.
Jamaica one.
Jamaica one. So Jamaica again this year, right? So this year Jamaica again. We gonna do it again. You know, look about to Talawa, you know. We winners. We winners. So guys, so this event is gonna be so big. You know, so big. But listen, this video you're gonna see this tomorrow. Because I'm gonna up all night, so tomorrow they're gonna see that I just left Jamaica.
Yes,
you know. So I'm trying to do this video as soon as possible, so at least some viewers know that I'm here.
Yes, yes,
So I'm gonna get this out
and
tomorrow.
for them, Saturday we have the cultural fest.
Yes.
So they need to come to Sunrise Health and Rehab.
Yes, guys. So this Saturday, you know, you're gonna see this video, which is tomorrow, which is Friday. So you know, Saturday is where they're gonna have a big culture fest here at Sunrise Rehab Health Center. So if you're close by, anywhere you are, just come down. You know, from what time?
From 10 to 4.
From 10 till 4. So trust me, be there. I am here, so come on down. You know, so I'm gonna make sure so I'm gonna stay up late tonight for you guys to get this video. So you know, once you see this video, come on down Saturday.
Miss Lorraine. I'm so busy. Okay, yes, I know.
I know this was a surprise. This I tell you.
Yes.
I told you the only surprise you can give me is Kino. Yes, you're the only surprise they could have given me. Nobody else.
And that's a good surprise, right?
Right. Kino.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yes. How come you're so tall? Oh my God.
More I don't know.
I'm close to you.
Yeah.
I am glued to you.
Yeah, Andy.
I was so sorry I couldn't come. I had a family thing.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's okay.
But I come to you.
You are here.
I
Trust
come
me,
to you.
That's the only thing. In my mind, I said, oh, they're giving Kino a trip. Kino, I'm happy you're here.
I'm so happy as
And
well
you're
too.
here, so we are going to be on YouTube.
Hey. You're already there.
You happy there?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Of course. Well, hopefully we'll catch that wine.
Yeah, tomorrow.
And she can do it again.
You're going to be on YouTube. You are going to be on Kino Live in Jamaica.
I don't worry.
Kino, I love you.
Yeah, man, I love you too, man. Best enough. Yeah. So even imagine, guys, who also have subscribers that been watching like a long time, you know, before as well too.
Remember, Saturday, she's there. Okay. Saturday, Miss Marie. Saturday, the grand prize, Miss Marie. Okay?
Jamaican, one champion. It's a lovely place here, you know. My eyes open wide now to see that, you know, the good work that we're really doing. You know, there's eyes out there watching and the connection, you know.
Yes. We have been dedicated. I've been doing this over 20-something years, 23 years as an administrator in healthcare. I'm also a nurse, and that is where my passion lies. Yes.
It's so cool, you know. It's so amazing, you know. Like literally, we're obviously doing this, but we don't know who's watching. You know.
And I'm telling you, when I saw it, I'm like, no, I have to do something.
Yes. I'm glad that you reach out, you know, and give the support. But trust me, you know, it's really, I have to give thanks to the Almighty, you know what I'm saying.
Bye. Oh, Rosie saying bye.
Alright, bye.
He's here tomorrow.
Yes. Tomorrow.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, yes. And you know what? We are servant leaders.
Yeah.
You know, so we are just passionate. We go about just taking care of the sick, the elderly, saving lives.
Yeah.
And we don't want anything in return.
Yeah.
But to see that we have
tomorrow.
Nice to see you.
Alright, tomorrow.
But yeah.
Oh, so this is what it'll be like. Oh, Shabba. Alright then.
Can't wait to see you Saturday.
I'm telling you. Alright then. Take care.
Turn it off.
Right Yes guys, so we're gonna close it off, for tonight. So tomorrow, so stay tuned. Once you see this video, just coming down to Sunrise Health Rehab Center. We're in what's this area? Sunrise instead, right? So it's Sunrise.
Off Nob Hill Road.
Yeah, off Nob Hill?
Yeah.
Just off Nob Hill Road. Yes. So come on down. If you see the video now, come Saturday. Okay. You're gonna see this today. It's Friday, you're seeing this. So come down. Remember guys, like the video, tell a friend, Kina is here in Sunrise, Florida. So blessed love, dream team on team. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is where I'll be staying at Comfort Suite. So it's called Comfort Suite. Hotel in Sunrise Comfort Suite. Guys, so this is where I'm going to be staying for a couple of days. I'm here at Comfort Suite Hotel here in Sunrise. So I'm going to go upstairs and give you a room tour to show you what it's like here. Very nice. Alright guys, so I'm going up to my room. Yeah, so it's time to go edit. So I can get this video off to you guys. Alright, so show you how I This is my key. 314. Alright guys, so let me show you what my room, this is what the room is like. Very comfy. I got a sitting area where I can sit here, like a couch there. I got my bed here, so it's like a suite, everything in one. My TV there, so here's where I can do my editing. Oh wow, is that the plug? Hope not. But this is where I can do my editing, right here. So yeah, simple. Let me show you the bathroom. Okay, and in here, oh, so here's what I got: the iron board. You press extra blanket. Running up. Got a mini fridge, empty. Microwave that I don't use, headlight, bed light. Yes, so it's good enough. And the bathroom. So this is what the bathroom is like. Towels under there, so yeah, I'm pretty comfortable. So I'm good with this. I am good with this. So yes guys, so the thing goes already, it's time for me to go relax, get some work done, do some editing. So yeah, so blessed love. So I hope you enjoyed this video. me here in Sunrise. So guys, remember, if you want to come by Saturday, which is tomorrow, because when you see this video, it's tomorrow. Today is Friday, right? So yes, tomorrow. So come on down.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.